There's good news for small business owners for the rest of 2019. Small business owners still have time to make purchases that they can deduct for the 2019 tax year. Tax pros do advise to make smart purchases based on a business's needs and not based on tax savings. Internal Revenue Code 179 is part of the Tax Reform Act of 1986. It was implemented to decrease the cost of investments in business property by allowing small businesses to expense the cost of certain property that would otherwise be capitalized and depreciated over time. Property that a small business owner can deduct include computers, furniture, machinery, vehicles, and building improvements. For an item to be deducted, it must be operational, meaning it must be in use. Despite what some may think, the purchases a small business owner makes can be made on credit. The purchases do not have to be paid in full by the end of the year to be deducted. They just have to be in use. If a small business owner works out of home, he or she can deduct home office repairs. If the whole home is used, the full cost of repairs can be deducted. If not, only the area that is used for business can be deducted. The owner can determine the amount by using a percentage or by multiplying the square footage by $5. If the owner decides to do this, he or she is limited to 300 square feet and renovations and repairs cannot be included. In the example, Janice can either use the business percentage method or the simplified square footage method. 300 square feet, which is the size of the room, divided by 1,500 square feet, which is the size of the home, is 0.2 or 20%. This is the business percentage method. Under the simplified method, Janice is limited to 300 square feet. This is the actual size of the room, so she can take the whole 300 and multiply it by $5, which is equal to 1,500. But remember, she cannot include renovations or repairs. The $1,500 is the full amount she could deduct. A home office can't just be a desk and computer thrown in the corner of a room that is also used for other things like a family room. It has to be a space strictly designated for the business only. A simplified employee pension can be established by an employer or self-employed person. These type of plans are simple to set up. An individual can obtain a form from the IRS website searching Form 5305-SEP. A simplified employee pension can be set up as late as October 25, 2020 if the individual gets a 6-month extension. Contributions can be made to any employee retirement plan as late as October 25, 2020 as long as the individual has an extension. All the information in this presentation can be found on the IRS website by searching Section 179, Publication 560, Form 4562, and Publication 587. Any other tax-related information as well as downloadable forms can also be found on the website.